Hello, friends. Hope you're fine. Again, I am with you to discuss page number 38 from Junior English Book 4, and the topic is antonyms opposites. Here in this box, absent, opposite, present, same way admit, deny, advance, retreat, arrival, departure, bold, timid, cheap, expensive, conceal, reveal, danger, safety, failure, success, false, its opposite is true, hollow, solid, hurry, loiter, ignorance, knowledge, innocent, guilty, joy, sorrow, miser, spendthrift, permit, forbid, plentiful, scarce, opposite like poverty, its opposite is wealth, proud, humble, seldom, often or often, shallow, deep, superior, inferior, wild, tame, win, lose. After this table, here there are some exercises. We will do this like write the opposites of the following words. Here joy, we know joy's opposite is sorrow. We will not see the box because you have to keep these antonyms in your mind. So let's try to remember these things and later do this exercise. These are so easy. Joy, here we can write joy. Joy's opposite is sorrow. 2 number miser, it will be spendthrift. Cheap, it will be expensive. 4 number admit, its opposite is deny. 5 number permit, its opposite is forbid. 6 number ignorance, we know its opposite, that is knowledge. 7 number innocent, its opposite is what? Guilty. Now 8 number advance. Advance opposite is what? Advance opposite is a retreat. Then 9 number hollow, its opposite is solid. 10 arrival. Arrival's opposite is departure. 11 number bold, its opposite is timid. Then 12 proud, its opposite is humble. 13 false, true. 14 plentiful, it will be scarce. Failure, success. Poverty, poverty is wealth. Hurry, it will be loiter. Conceals, antonym is reveal. Now B-number exercise, complete each sentence by inserting the opposite of the word in bold type. It means here we are getting some bold types word. We have to make its opposite, or we have to write its opposite word. Let's start. 1 number, mom's new coat was quite cheap, but her shoes were very expensive. 9 members were present and 3 were present. Opposite is what? Absent. 3 number, some of the dependents' statements were true, but many were so easy false. 4 number, Megan dived in at the deep end. Kylie paddled at the dash end. Here deep, its opposite is shallow. Here will that shallow. Now 5 number, Sally always hurries home from school, but Carol often dash on the way. What will be here? The word hurries is in bold type. We know its opposite, that is loiter. We will write here the what? Loiters. Okay. 6 number, Kevin is innocent, but everyone knows that his brother is what? Innocence opposite is, we know, that is guilty. Now C number exercise. This is also so easy. Let's start to do C number exercise. In each column, find the two antonyms or opposites. Use your dictionary to help you. So in this place, curious, violent, guilty, innocent. What we have to do? In each column, find the two antonyms. So here, say in this place, guilty and innocent are opposite. I'm doing this way. Now, 2 number, plentiful, superior, scarce, brilliant. In this place, plentiful and scarce are antonyms of each other. 3 number, attack, forbid, and permit. I don't have another one in my book, so in this place, in these 3 words, forbid and permits are opposite of each other. 4 number, timid, simple, huge, and bold. Here, timid and bold. 5 number, happiness, poverty, thrift, wealth. In this place, poverty and wealth are synonyms of each other. 6 number, unknown, heavy, famous, popular. Here we are getting towards these unknown and famous. 7 number, bright, apathetic, light, enthusiastic. Here apathetic and enthusiastic. 8 number, stop, forget, pay, start. 8 number is what? Stop and start. 9 number, acquire, sell, purchase, gamble. Here, sell and purchase. So today we have done page number 38, and today we have got the topic, antonyms, opposites, and we have done today's work from Junior English Book 4. Next day, we will do page number 39, and there we'll find the topic, that is direct and indirect speech. Bye for today.